Hello, everyone. My name is Edwin Adrian Villegas. I graduated from the University of New Haven in 2022 with a BFA in interior design and pre architecture. I learned a lot when I was there at the University of New Haven. We worked on a bunch of different applications such as residential, commercial, retail. We worked on offices. I've worked on a pediatric center. I've worked on a autism facility. We've worked on two different parts of our own university, which was the library and one of our lobbies. We've worked on a small little residential project and worked on a bunch of different design models. My favorite project was definitely my fresh fall pediatrics, where we brought in a lot of different aspects of biophilic attributes and design into our project, and just really was able to like design our own furniture and like be ourselves and pick all materials. We picked all the furniture. I was able to use different programs such as SketchUp, Photoshop, AutoCAD, and just bring all that together and just design one beautiful little project. And I was able to learn from a bunch of great different mentors and professors at the University of New Haven that taught me a great amount of things. One of my greatest professor that I will always remember is Mr. John Arabolas, where he taught us everything about construction documentations, and this was one of my full construction documentations of a media center and furniture um, design documents, and everything from lighting, furniture, to the material, the doors, and the window schedule, to the lighting schedule. We picked out everything, and it was just a great experience. And after that, I was given the opportunity to take an internship with Richard Gonzalez, where he taught me everything 3D modeling and Blender. We use Blender all the time. This is where I was able to design my first interior renderings and just get to start designing exterior models of existing um, residential homes in Bronxville, New York. And it was just a great experience. He told me everything he can about Blender and how to get all these materials and how to get the images to look so realistic. I also worked on two little small projects for him as freelance for him to get on his presentations for Columbia University. It was an isometric model that I've worked on one level, and he just wanted to show his new ADA lift that he was going to insert within the university, and also showing NYU James B. Duke Mansion, where he designed the basement level and wanted a blow up of the building, and showing all that within his design. And also after that, I was given the opportunity to work with Peter Gato and Associates, where I worked on a bunch of different Photoshop models. I've worked on 3D models. I've worked on everything down from schematic design, design development, construction documentation. I was given the lead of this project that we're looking in front of us called the parking garage rehabilitation in Pelham, New York, where I worked on talking to the clients, picking out the materials, designing the building, going to the zoning board, the planning board, the architectural review board, and just being able to make sure all our requirements were met within our project, and being able to get the construction documentations out to bid and getting somebody to work on our project. That was a great experience. I've worked on residential buildings as well with Peter Gato, and yeah, the 2 years were just amazing. I unfortunately don't have this position anymore. I moved to Orlando with my girlfriend, and she will be going to law school at Barry University, and I'm going getting my master's at ASU University, and I just hope to learn a lot of structural things, a lot of just different things about architecture that I didn't already know, and yeah, just expand my knowledge and learn from a bunch of great mentors from ASU and get to know my colleagues. And yeah, hope we all have a great semester.